afternoon, everyone. This is Diane speaking from East Jamaica Conference. Here at East Jamaica Conference, we have what is known to new to you, which is microcurrent therapy, new technology of pain management and disease control. Here we have a machine that can take care of your degenerative pain, sports pain, and many other pains, right? You can contact us here at East Jamaica Conference by calling 872-9717. It helps a lot, and I can tell you from different things that I use it for myself, for my sciatica, and now I'm sitting into a chair. There are other testimonies that I have with persons who have other degenerative, even stroke patients, that we use this machine to balance these persons who have muscular aches and pain that get over it. Even with facial pain, this is my BMW that is used to do microcurrent facial. So to ease some of these pain and let your face be as smooth as a brand new baby, right? The cost is minimal for the treatment. I am only here on a Mondays at East Jamaica Conference. So we have another video that will show how this application is done. No pain, nothing to bring any harm to you, but restoration.